All right, folks. So today we're going to take an inside look at wealthy affiliates. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? But first, please hit the subscribe button to this channel and hit the notification bell to be notified of any new videos I have coming out. I make videos about making money online and such. And let's dive right into this. There'll be a link for this wealthy affiliate in the description below as well. So let's check it out, folks. What is it? Well, first of all, to start off with, it's a huge community of like-minded people in the sense that you have a lot of affiliate marketers here of all levels, whether you're just getting started, have some experience, or you're already successful at affiliate marketing. If you're new to affiliate marketing, they teach you how to do everything from the ground up. If you're experienced, you already have an edge a little bit, but you still get their websites, the web hosting, and all those benefits as well. So it really is for anyone. My phone is going off here. Throw that in the corner. Anyways, so basically, this is the website here. This is here's the blog post I did on it. If you're on this blog post, you're watching this video on this blog post because I put it on here. But basically, some of the benefits here I listed on my blog post. It's world-class training. There's thousands of training resources that await you. Tried and true processes for earning money online. The web hosting, the web builder. There's a keyword research platform for finding domains, uncovering your niche, brainstorming ideas, and analyzing your website. There's live chat, instant coaching. There's tens of thousands of useful resources of different training and stuff like that. They have their own lucrative affiliate program, and there's the huge community. But let's actually just go right into it here. So this is my dashboard when I log in. If you get the free account, you'll have something similar to this with different numbers and stuff up here. But the training, well, first of all, when you sign up, you're going to want to fill out your profile and create a list of, just upload a photo, write something about yourself here. That way, because people are more willing to help you out if they have a picture behind, a person or they know a little bit about you. Like these are people new to the community here, as opposed to just a blank thing. This is my network of over 1,000 people. Like I said, it's a huge network here of people, and it's really good to network with people. So anyways, you get your own profile, and when you sign up with my link, I'm going to contact you actually right here first on your wall. Recent messages, you'll get a little update from me, greeting you and giving you some of my bonuses and stuff like that if you use my link to sign up from. And plus, not only that, if you sign up through me, I will be notified anytime that you contact me, or not contact me, anytime you write a question anywhere on the website, not just me. I'm all caught up here, so right now it says 0 tasks for me. But this way I get in touch with you pretty much right away of any questions you have or any things that you're doing within WA, so I can help you out. I'm like your personal coach, if you sign up under me. So that's really cool too. And anyways, let's dive into what the training actually is. There's a lot of stuff here, folks. That's why I'm like kind of jumping all over the place, but I'm gonna try to get into the groove here of showing you what the training is. The free stuff, you're going to get the online certification, entrepreneur certification level 1, getting started. That's free. And the affiliate bootcamp level 1 is free as well. So the difference is that this one is for just general niches, anything that you pick. This affiliate bootcamp is for promoting wealthy affiliate itself. And these are the courses within level 1. There's 10 here. And these, like I said, these are all free. You don't need a credit card or anything to sign up. You just sign up and you can start taking these classes right here. Most of them are video, understanding how to make money online. For example, lesson 2 here, you will go in. Cal's the co-founder of Wealthy Affiliate, and by the way, they've been around since 2005. So they're legit. They're not some fly-by-night company with a bunch of nonsense. So anyways, there's videos and stuff. There's video tutorials. There's reading. And then you take action and you do certain stuff like this explains affiliate marketing real quick. That's in the lesson. And like I said, if you're already experienced, you can fly through this stuff. Like when I joined, I had some experience, so I was flying through a lot of this stuff in the beginning. If you're new, it's work at your own pace kind of thing. Obviously, the more work you put into it, the more you're going to get out. So I recommend working on it daily. Just like you would any other job or anything you're pursuing in life. And then when you're done, you just check off what you did and you go to the next lesson and you just, go to the next lesson. And then I'll go back to the overview of lessons here. So we got choosing a niche. This will help you to choose a niche that you're, want to make money at. Building your own website around that niche, setting up your website, getting your site ready for search engines. This is the great part about what they train you here too for is like you do keyword research, and you basically don't have to do any advertising or nothing. Like someone does a search in Google and your website pops up, hopefully in the top page. That's what they teach you, the tactics to get there to the first page of Google in the top slots. And then people go to your website and you have that chance to make the commissions off products that you promote and stuff like that. So that's basically affiliate marketing. You're promoting other people's products, and there's a lot of benefits to that as well. But anyways, let's get back to this. Creating your initial website, creating custom menus on your website, understanding keywords, and then on to the next step. And then the next steps will be a premium membership. So, but this right here, this is going to take you, about a week maybe. If you could do it faster than a week, but I would say give it a week for this lesson right here. And then you're definitely going to see if you want to upgrade or not. When I started doing this, I knew right away the benefits and everything. So I just signed up for the premium account pretty much in the first, couple days. And I was off and running with building my websites. And by the way, you do get 2 free websites. There's a website builder over here that they're going to help you out with. So there's a lot of stuff in here, like I said, folks, a lot of stuff. And these are real testimonials here too. A lot of times you see these products I reviewed lots of products. They have fake testimonials. These are real testimonials. These are real people. These are people actually inside. You can click on their profiles or whatever, and they're real people here, and they're real helpful as well. That you can send them private messages. You can send me a private message. In fact, I'd encourage you to. So back to the training, the affiliate bootcamp here too. You get these courses free as well. So if you want to check this out as well, and this is for, promoting the making money online niche, and basically what Wealthy Affiliate is. And they have this opportunity here as well. And the reason there's 2 different courses is because this is a lot more competitive niche. So there's different niches that are much more competitive, and so they're harder to make the money at, but you still can do it. And it's still possible. You just have to do, a lot more upfront and getting your sites trusted with Google and everything like that. So I've done both of the classes, and I have a couple different sites and different niches. So I would recommend working on one or the other, though, especially when you're first starting, because you can get overwhelmed with all this stuff. There's a lot of information here, and depending on your background of any of this stuff, it can be crazy at times. But again, there's help here. There's live chat. You can ask people questions. Use the help center. Premium coaches. You can even contact the co-founders here. I think when you're premium members, these are the top helpers today. These people I've connected with, even outside of Wealthy Affiliate, I connected with some of these people on Facebook and stuff and YouTube. So anyways, I don't want to get too off track here. So yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff in here. Let's just take a quick system tour. So that's my profile, my account, as I was talking about. Activity dashboard, people post things. And there's no spam here either. They're very good at finding. Sometimes people, creep in and start posting spam or in spam accounts, but they get that stuff out of the way really quick. So that's a really cool thing about the community here. Everyone's, helpful and welcoming and everything. So that's pretty cool too. So the world-class training, as I said, I only went on a fraction of what it is for the free membership, but after you get the paid membership, there's so much more. And then your websites, building your websites and such. There's live events usually every Friday. There's a live class there's all the archives of them as well. So they're still there if you can't make it live. But if you can make it live, it's great because then you can ask questions and things. And then there's a keyword research tool. This is great for finding keywords, finding domains, uncovering niches, brainstorming ideas and stuff. And there's classes on all that as well. There's live chat, instant coaching, the help center, 24/7, of course. Search useful resources up here. Just type in any word that you're looking for, anything you're looking about. You're a creator, get your own blog, your training thing, or you can write articles, stuff like that. And then there's a different currency here for like different tasks and things like that. There's a lucrative program, like I said. There's the Super Affiliate Challenge. You get 300 sales in a year. You go to Vegas. They usually go to Vegas in January. And that's really cool. Personal notifications. private coaching, mentor, and stuff like that through email. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff here, folks. I'm just scratching the surface really here. So it's definitely not a scam, folks. It's definitely a legitimate business opportunity, making money opportunity. The more time and work you put into it, the more you're definitely gonna get out of it. Again, you can start 100% free. There's no credit card needed. So that's a good thing too. Some of the benefits, you can get my blog post here if you're not already on it. Okay, so yeah, some of the benefits of affiliate marketing. There's a lot of benefits, and this is one of the reasons people start off with affiliate marketing, making money online, because there's no to low startup cost. Like an example, you can start WA for free, which is really cool. Working on something you're passionate about, you can work from anywhere with a computer and internet connection. There's no staff to hire. A lot of people actually, once they become successful on their own, they start actually hiring people to do a lot of the tasks and stuff. Because it is a lot of stuff. It does a lot of work in the beginning, folks. This is not some, whatever. It's get rich scheme or nothing. You actually have to work. I mean, that's why it's, you get in what you put out, or you put or whatever I'm saying. You get out what you put in. So no products or services of your own needed. You don't have any products to sell. You're selling other people's products or services and companies, which also includes, that means there's no warehouse to stock. There's no fulfilling orders. Obviously misspelling here. Gotta fix that. Text to speech sometimes doesn't always work out very well. Anyways, no customer service on your part. So, millions of products to choose from, thousands of companies to promote. So yeah, it's awesome. Like, for example, like if someone buys, from one of my websites, like I have a guitar pedal website. If someone goes to, Amazon and purchases the guitar pedal, it has nothing to do with me. It's like, I don't have any customer service. I don't have to provide the warehouse to stock the items. I don't have to do this. I don't have to do the promotion. I don't have to make the product. So it's a very, one of the best ways to start, especially making money online, is because there's like I said, no to low startup costs. You don't really have to do much to start off as far as creating a product. So it's a very, a very good business model. I mean, think about it. Back in the day, like, our parents, our grandparents, if they wanted to start a business, they just couldn't go online. They didn't have the internet. They had to, any kind of business, you had to have products. You had to either make the products or buy the products or have a store, and you had to spend all this money just ahead of time just to even start the business. Here, you get your web hosting, you get your website running, and you learn all the tasks, and you pay for the training and stuff, and that's pretty much it. I mean, and that's like a fraction of the cost. I mean, think if you want to go open a restaurant or something right now, or anything, a daycare center, lawn care, whatever. You're gonna have to invest a lot of money up front and hire people and all this stuff, and that's why this is, the internet makes this possible, and it's just awesome. There's no other better time in history to start making your own money online or in business in general. So that's one of the benefits of it all. So anyways, folks, I'm rambling on. I just wanted to give you a quick overview here of what's going on. And like I said, if you sign up through me, I'm going to be here to help you every step of the way. In fact, I get notified anytime you're in the site. And plus, you can send me private messages here. This is my profile. This is my username on there. So you can contact me. And I have a bunch of bonuses for you as well. I'm not going to tell you what all the bonuses are, because I change them from time to time depending on what's going on, because things change, and I like to change up the bonuses and things like that. So that's why I don't mention them exactly what they are, but there are bonus tips that you will get right away. It's all automated when you sign up. Some of them will come right away, and then the other ones will be later. But so check it out, folks. That is all for now. I definitely recommend this. So check it out. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.